Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI 12T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple layout on this XIAOMI smartphone. Firstly, just open Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in iOS Launcher. Now you need to get this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. Now you need to choose Allow in all pop-ups. So while using the app, allow, and swipe up from the bottom of your screen to access Home button. Finally, you can access Settings and tap on Apps section after scrolling down. Then choose Manage Apps. Click on those three dots at the top right corner and choose Default Apps. Finally, just tap on Launcher section over here and set up iOS one by clicking on it. Then choose Home button. As you can see, after clicking on it, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Android. But you can always switch between your layouts by going into the same settings and tapping on System Launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!